Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Gyrotech Nabco 218831. This is a track roller assembly, and this video will serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. Let's take a closer look at that right now. A concave wheel profile. Let's take some dimensional properties. Okay, we've got the wheel here. Concave profile. Well, let's go with some dimensional properties. Let's go with an absolute outside diameter of the wheel first. .638 between my thumb and forefinger. The dimension to the bottom of the concave area, 2.298. 2.298. Thickness of this wheel, 0.787. 0.787 thickness. Diameter of the mounting disc, 1.561. 1.561. The diameter from the nearest edge to the inside of the hole, 0.48. 0.48 from here to here. Projection of that mounting disc, 0.149. 0.149. Okay. Now let's take a look at the bolt package. Gyrotech Nabco, I am sure uses, I'm not sure, but I would be quite sure that they use SAE type thread, not metric thread. This appears to be maybe 3/8, but that's a fine thread. Fine threads. The length of the hex cap bolt is 1.475. 1.475. The outside diameter of these threads, 0.368. 0.368. I'm going to guess that this is probably 3/8 24 thread. Would be my guess on that. 3/8 24 thread. It's going to come with a nut and a star washer, as you can see. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Gyrotech Nabco products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Gyrotech Nabco 218831 track roller assembly or any other Gyrotech Nabco product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.